lab, and today I want to talk about something that's kind of new that we've been doing for a while now that you may kind of assume we don't have available here at ROE. So we've always had a small offering of orthodontic appliances, but in the last, I would say year and a half, we've really ramped up our offerings when it comes to what we can make for you. Things like Hawleys, palatal expanders, space maintainers, all those nuanced orthodontic appliances we now have available for you at ROE. We have a fee schedule with probably over 60 different items we have that we can offer to you. And I know sometimes with orthodontic cases, you may have your current lab fabricating a custom appliance for you or something that you kind of give them instructions on. We do have doctors that do that, so if there's something you know and love that you're unhappy with and would like to try out a new lab, we'd love to be that person for you, and you can send in photos, a sample of the appliance, give us a call to talk over the case. Speaking of call, we do have a point technical person in the lab that manages orthodontic cases and is their niche. So when you have questions, you can speak with them and talk over your case. My famous saying with ROE is, if you can dream it, we can do it. So if there's something that you want that you don't see, please give us a call to talk with us about it. We are gonna start releasing some more videos, kind of giving more details and insights into our offerings. So if you've been thinking this whole time, I think ROE only does bread and butter services like crowns and dentures and partials, and this is news to you, please keep tuning in. We're gonna have more videos kind of diving into deeper detail with one of our technicians on orthodontic offerings. Thank you so much for tuning in. Keep an eye out for those videos. And please give us a call if you have a case after watching this you want to get started with ROE. Thank you so much.